Okay, so we just got up. We got up at like 5:45. We showered, and we are about to leave now, I guess, because we weren't tired. So it's, I think, close to 7. So we're going to get a Uber to the airport.
Ready?
So Sam's now a world traveler.
Woohoo! Finally.
Waiting on Sim Kim Kyung to come pick us up and take us to the airport. We're going really early, but Singapore airport is, I guess, one of the coolest airports. We didn't see it on the way here, but apparently there's a bunch of cool stuff that you can see and do. And we are trying to see and do stuff. So we'll see y'all there. Okay, so we're in Changi Airport, which is Singapore's airport, and this is probably like one of the coolest things that I've ever seen as far as like man-made goes. There's like, I don't know, 7 or 8 different levels that you go up, and then there's like 3 basement levels that have the water coming down, but it's definitely really peaceful and cool. But it's open 24/7 and it's free. So we're at the Singapore airport, seeing lots of cool shit, and I wanted to get one more straight tea. They didn't have it, but they had the next best thing. Same company, same kind of tea. It's like Brisk, but imagine Brisk iced tea, like the lemon one, but even better than that. Still pretty good, but it's not straight tea, but it's good. Holy shit. It has a face, a steering wheel, ain't nobody driving it.
That's kind of scary.
Alright, Frankie, pizza review time. We are at Singapore airport. We are reviewing gardenia cheese bread stick. 1 bite, everybody knows the rules. Oh, Frankie. This is shit. one bite, everybody knows the rules. Oh wow.
No flop.
No. No flop. What's your score?
Negative. Negative 0.5.
I'm going 1.1. I've had it worse.
It doesn't even taste like pizza. Besides this little strip of marinara on there.
Yeah, the marinara is what does it.
Nope. No, no. That's not pizza.
Alright, so don't eat gardenia breadsticks at the Singapore airport. That's a review. Okay, so Singapore airport has got just about everything. They've got Butterfly Museum that we were just at. I don't know if we showed you that. But it is right here. It's like a butterfly garden. We saw the atrium thing, and now we found out they got a free movie theater. What do we got playing?
Fighting with My Family should be on right now.
Okay, let's go check it out. There's that shitty pizza. Okay, pretty sick. It's open almost 24 hours. I think it closes at 3 a.m. So we have a oh, maybe it doesn't.
No, there's something that allows.
Just kidding, it's 24/7. So we did read though that if you're going there, you should use it like as a nap area if you have a long layover. It's pretty dark and it looks pretty comfortable, but they are playing also current new movies. Holy shit, a sleepy time room. Still at the airport. Don't know what we got, but it looks pretty tight. So let's see what we got.
Beef for fun.
Oh, it's beef for fun.
Very yummy.
Hell yeah, it's just like Panda Express.
It's better.
Much. Okay, so we are back at you live here. We switched locations. We flew from Singapore this morning to Bali, and now we are at our Airbnb, which is pretty sweet. Actually, yeah, it's Airbnb. But we got our own cool little private swimming pool here. Our own outdoor kitchen. Oh yeah, this is outside, inside. Nice little bedroom area. Flat screen TV in which I cannot watch NFL games on. And, I mean, cozy little bathroom. A semi-outdoor shower. But I'm pretty excited. It's about exactly what we expected from what we saw in the Airbnb pictures, but now I think we might go find something to do or something to eat. We'll, I guess, catch you later. Okay, I don't know if you can see us or not, but we just got done doing a look exploring. Went down a couple streets, just kind of looking at stuff, and then walked by this massage parlor. We ended up getting massages. We got back massages. We each got one for 30 minutes each. What up, dog? So we each got back massages for both of us to get 30 minutes each. Ended up being about $7.50 American, so that was pretty tight. Then we went and had dinner. I got the infamous chicken pad thai. Sam got chicken satay. And then I had a couple of bintangs, which is the beer here in Indonesia. It was really good. Sam had
Strawberry daiquiri.
a strawberry daiquiri, which was not so good, she says, not very good. But now we are on our way back to the Airbnb, ready for sleepy time. So later.